Welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard, your virtual classroom coach, and this is the best place to be to get the tips, tricks and advice so you can rock your own virtual classrooms and webinars. And it's also the place where your expertise and experiences are also welcome. So please share your best practices in the comment section below or in the community section further along. Now, in this video, we're going to take a look at how best we can prepare our organisation for great online experiences. Before we begin, if you like any of the information in this video, please consider pressing the like button below, as it really helps to support the channel. And remember, there's that big red subscribe button as well. So I had a message from a subscriber saying how her organisation is going through a lot of change right now in terms of their L&D offer. And she said, although they're getting ready to deliver virtuals and they're busy rewriting old materials, writing new materials and learning how to use GoToWebinar, she worries that this is going to be a bit of a culture shock for her organisation as a whole. And I stopped and I thought, yeah, what a great point she makes. It takes loads of time for us to prepare and practice for our L&D teams to adjust to this new culture of design and delivery. But then when we launch virtual classrooms to our organisations, are we actually overwhelming them or simply expecting too much? So here's my 3 golden rules to orientate your organisation and really set people up for virtual classroom success. And if you're a freelancer working with various organisations, then the advice right here should be considered for every single new project or new audience you work with. All right then, let's jump right in. So, golden rule number 1. So you should know by now what the software of choice is for your virtual classrooms or webinars. So why not hold introductory sessions for anyone who will be new to them? Now, that may well be a virtual classroom where you show people around and give them chance to experience the new environment without there being an additional set of learning objectives. So what I mean by that is, for example, a customer service team would be on a virtual class to learn solely about virtual classrooms, not customer service. And if this isn't possible, maybe face-to-face demos or a pre-recorded video, even a module, whatever's right for your organisation and your people. But I have to say, my preference every time would be a live virtual classroom experience where they can really get to understand and learn the functionality. And please don't underestimate the usefulness of such an exercise. It can save a lot of time and frustration during an actual virtual classroom for both you and your learners. Golden rule number 2, IT. So if, for example, you're delivering virtual classrooms to learners of a client, for example, make contact with their IT team. And the things you want are for them to test their connection with your webinar software, make sure there's no firewalls or blocks, ensure that your learners will be able to download and install any necessary plugins or programs that might be required, and also if they have audio and video capability as well. And really never take any of this for granted. And also ask the IT team if the learner or learners should contact them direct for preparation, help and support. And if so, how should they do that? Golden rule number 3. So you have sign-ups and people are all ready to attend your virtual classroom. But are they? Yes, they're enrolled and the VC may be next week or next month, but are they truly ready for it? So I always have a communication plan that keeps them warm and prepares them for the event. And my plan involves well-timed messages to ensure the success of your VC. See my separate video on that to really set you up for great communication. So there you are. Those were my top 3 golden rules for making sure your organisation or client's organisation is ready to take on the world of virtual learning. I really hope you found them useful, and don't forget to share your own experiences and advice in the comments section below. And remember, if you've liked the video, please press that subscribe, like and bell button, and that way we can keep in touch and you'll be the first to know when a new video lands. That's it for now then. It's been great having you, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.